Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com, this officially website you can see, and after that this is search icon, search and just click on it and then enter the model number of your graphic card, Scorpio RTX 4070 Ti AERO OCV2 12G, and then hit enter. Then click on the product and then click on name of title. After that click on support. And select operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. So this is driver and this is version, this is size, and this is series date, and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. It will take some time to complete, and after it is completed, and depend upon your internet, and then click on three dot and go click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed, then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.